हेलो, वेलकम टू माय तरला दलाल एरा। अगर तुम्हें नहीं पता कि तरला दलाल कौन है, मुझे नहीं पता तुमने घर पे क्या किया अपने मम्मी के साथ में बचपन में। लाइक माय मॉम यूज्ड टू फोर्स मी टू वॉच टीवी शोज विद हर। फोर्स एज लाइक रिमोट मेरे पास आता नहीं था, तो फिर जो मम्मी देखती थी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सास बहू वाले शोज टू कुकिंग, सारे मैंने देखे हैं, इसलिए बहुत चालाकी है मेरे में। कमिंग बैक टू तरला दलाल, शी इज अ वेरी फेमस इंडियन शेफ who used to make videos, I think. क्या बात कर रहा हूँ मैं? So I went to the market today. So like usually like I order things. Usually I order things from Swiggy, Dunzo, etc. etc. But today I was like, why don't I just physically go to a sabzi thela and buy stuff? And it was actually very therapeutic. So I got this palak क्योंकि सर्दियाँ वैसे बॉम्बे में तो आती नहीं है, बट सर्दियाँ एक्चुअल में आ गई हैं। एंड इन विंटर्स यू गेट really good पालक एंड गाजर। तो मैंने सॉरी चीज़ें गिर रही हैं। सो आई गॉट दिस पालक एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड हरा लहसुन। आई लव गार्लिक and this garlic has a lot more flavor to it than your usual that गुच्छे वाला garlic. So मुझे ये दो चीज़ें मिल गई, तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं घर पे आके आज बनाऊं आलू लहसुनी पालक। मैं शेफ नहीं हूँ, आई एम नॉट अ शेफ। चलो बहुत बकवास हो गई। नाउ विल स्टार्ट विथ वॉशिंग एंड बिफोर आई वॉश माई पालक मेक श्योर यू क्लिक ऑन द सब्सक्राइब बटन। तुम लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे, 40 लोग मेरा वीडियो देखेंगे तो मुझे मोटिवेशन कैसे आएगा? मैं तो वैसे आई नेवर रियलाइज्ड कि मेरे किचन में एक्चुअली लाइट काफ़ी अच्छी आती है। लाइक आई डोंट गेट दिस लाइट इवन इन माई बेडरूम वेयर आई शूट मोस्ट ऑफ माई content, but my kitchen is giving. So I learned a really cool technique from a chef on YouTube जो मैं बताऊंगा। There's something about green vegetables, like मुझे you know कोई बच्चे होते हैं like they just hate eating leafy vegetables, but I never had this issue. मैं काफी green इंसान हूँ बचपन से। I love fresh produce. I was even planning to go to this Sunday market. It's a farmers market actually, not Sunday market, sorry. जो बांद्रा में होता है। I think मेरे घर के पास भी कहीं होता है, but the one in Bandra is the OG one, and there's one in Kolaba. So I was planning to go there. Maybe I'll go this Sunday and try to make a vlog. So basically, this farmers market, you can go there. You can obviously shop like farm to table fruits and vegetables. Really fresh produce, but you can also buy other stuff like handmade soap. You can buy snacks and it's quite wholesome. मैं एक बार गया था, मैं कोलाबा वाले में गया था। Very wholesome, like it's slightly like tad bit like 4-5 रुपए more expensive than the sabzi you get closer to your house, but it's worth it because it's coming from the farmers, so you're indirectly or directly supporting them, which is a great thing. Look at this beauty. Because I've never done a food video before, I'm very confused. Like, should I show you my face because I'm constantly talking? Should I not talk? Should I show you the process of cutting palak? I'm very confused. मैं एक काम करता हूँ, मैं दोनों शूट करूँगा और फिर मैं सोचूँ मैं दोनों नहीं शूट करूँगा। This is not a cooking video. ये कोई tutorial नहीं है, क्योंकि I lack content ideas and मुझे कुछ सोचना नहीं था and मुझे खाना बनाना था, so that's why I'm doing this. So take the stems off, and we are going to grind this anyway, so you don't have to like chop it, but still we'll do a rough chop. ASMR time. Ooh, yes daddy. Do it again, do it again. Very good. सब्सक्राइब बोलो.
मतलब
बोलो सब्सक्राइब.
मुझको बोलना नहीं आता है सर. सब्सक्राइब.
और एक बार बोलो.
सब्सक्राइब.
So I'm bringing water to boil. It is just water with baking soda. So I learned a trick somewhere that if you add baking soda to boiling water and then put your spinach to blanch, उसका कलर नहीं जाता, वो ग्रीन रहता है. So I'm gonna do that. पूरा बॉईल होने का बाद में you have to turn off the gas and then put this entire thing. मेरा एक्चुअली पैन थोड़ा छोटा है बट ठीक है, आप क्या कर सकते हैं ना.
कुकर में ले सकते थे. कुकर तो था.
कुकर भी चाहिए.
हाँ तो इसमें बॉइलिंग कर सकते थे.
So my palak is sitting here in the pan in hot water. Now there's another trick which I learned. So you have to take some ice. You can also take normal ice, but I have this packet ice from Swiggy. Just put it in a pan. I'm putting in a cooker because I don't have another big pan. बहुत सारा ice लेना है. This also stops the cooking process of your spinach which is in the hot water. तो उसका color green रहेगा. So you have to immediately take it out from boiling water. Not immediately, like put it in hot water, let it sit for 8 minutes or whenever you see that it's good to go, and then you put it directly inside this ice water. दीदी को मैं सिखा रहा
भैया
है.
स्वादिष्ट खाना बनाते हैं इसलिए भैया के पीछे खड़ी हूँ.
दीदी को सिखा रहा है लहसुनी पालक.
लहसुन पालक.
लहसुन आलू पालक.
लहसुन आलू पालक ऐसे तो बनाती हूँ.
कहाँ बनाती हूँ पता नहीं, इधर तो नहीं
ऐसा
बनाती.
नहीं बना. आपको नहीं खिलाया मैं. हाँ
रोज रात का खाना बचा हुआ दे रहा है. मैं
हे भगवान.
बिल्कुल अपने लव लाइफ की तरह इससे डुबा दो. So I'm gonna blend this with a cube of ice and a spoon of oil so that the paste is creamy.
Never really know what's going on.
हाथ नहीं लाना है, ठीक है?
मेरा हाथ गलेगा तो
क्यों गलेगा?
दिखता है ना. मैं हिल रहा हूँ तो कैमरा हिल रहा है.
मत हिलो.
तीखा पाउडर.
So this is Lasuni aloo now because we have not added the palak yet. We're gonna let it sit for some time for like 2 minutes and then we'll add palak. But how pretty does it look already? Look at that.
पहले तो बहुत बड़ा काम कर रहा था. अभी उसका सब्जी से नहीं होता.
So we'll do tadka. I'm adding 2 red chilies. Lehsun because that's the star of our dish. So putting some hing, some kasuri methi or kasuri methi, whatever you guys want to call it. More flavor and smell to the dish. Look at that. How pretty. Ta-da, it's ready. Look at that, how pretty it looks. Okay, done with cooking. I'm back in my room. I'm going to eat now. It's 4 p.m. बहुत late lunch है, but I am very happy that I actually stepped out, bought groceries, and tried to cook something. Again, I'm not a cook. I am not a chef. I just saw this video on YouTube last night. I think it is Ranveer Brar's video. Sorry, Ranveer Brar's recipe. It is more like inspired by him क्योंकि सेम तो नहीं बना होगा तो मैं बोल नहीं सकता कि सारा का सारा मैंने सेम बनाया है, सेम नहीं बना होगा. But I am happy with how it turned out. Looks good. I have not tasted yet. So that's all for this vlog. Let me know what you want me to do. This was very random. It's not a cooking channel yet. No, this will not be a cooking channel. But yeah, let me know what you want me to watch. Sorry, let me know what you want me to do next. Like, comment, share, and
Subscribe.
और एक बार बोलो.
Subscribe.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Sunny. Subscribe कर लो, नहीं लगेगा money. Am I getting better at this? Let me know in the comments below. Today we are going to talk about my top 10 favorite perfumes जो मैं rotation में लगाते रहता हूँ. And there's also 2 fragrances which I got my hands on recently. मैंने अब तक use भी नहीं किया है. मैं literally इसे कल लेके आया हूँ and I am so excited to talk about it. I'm going to start with the one जो मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से लेना था. Burberry Goddess, and I love this one because first of all look at the packaging. It's luxury है. I love vanilla note वाले fragrances. So first we'll talk about vanilla note वाले fragrances. तो इसमें vanilla है, इसके top, middle and base सारे notes में vanilla है, and this is the intense version. That means इसका projection काफ़ी better है. I am not going to like spray this one and show because मुझे waste नहीं करना. This is anyway 30 ml bottle. I will spray and show a few perfume क्योंकि aesthetics नहीं जानी चाहिए ना वीडियो की. So I will do that with my other bottles but not this one. Second newest perfume which is My Way by Armani. You can see my initials here. Top notes में you will notice थोड़े orange, bergamot, and इसके base में again you will notice vanilla. Is why I said कि first we'll talk about fragrances that have vanilla notes in it. If you are someone जिसको vanilla बहुत पसंद है तो शायद आपको मेरा collection अच्छा लगेगा. Do let me know in the comments how you like it. It's not sweet, it is not fruity, it's like the right balance. ये तुम easily किसी evening party में पहन के जा सकते हो या तुम day में भी पहन सकते हो. तुम्हें कौन रोक रहा है, तुम्हें कोई नहीं रोक रहा. तो do check this one out. This is available with Tira, with Sephora, with Pacos. So ये आपको easily मिल जाएगा. Third is not a perfume, it's a body mist. इसे तुम नहा सकते हो because the bottle is huge. And it's called Warm Vanilla Sugar by Bath and Body Works. Obviously, like the name suggests, it has sugar, caramelly fragrance and also vanilla. And I just love how it lingers. इसको तुम layer बहुत easily कर सकते हो. Sophisticated sweetness. So this one you should try as a layer on because of course ये mist है तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा time तक नहीं रहता है. But you can always keep spritzing and ये इतना बड़ा bottle आता है. This is I think 200 ml. This is 236 ml. My next perfume was a surprise even for me to find out about this. So Reddit में घूमते घूमते फिरते फिरते पढ़ते पढ़ते मुझे इसके बारे में पता चला जो मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ये इतना अच्छा होगा. So this is Bella Vita Honey Oud. And if you like sweet fragrance with a hint of oud जो बहुत ही overpowering ना हो, then this is really economical and smells amazing. In my experience ये बहुत time तक strongly project नहीं करता है, ना ये body पे इतना strongly रहता है. Of course वो linger on करता है. I wanted to gatekeep this honestly because a lot of people don't know about this. But if you love fragrances then Bella Vita Oud will surprise you. We have Armani C. First of all, look how gorgeous this bottle looks. ऐसा सा स्प्रे करता है. Love the atomizer and I love the bottle. I love the cap actually, like so elegant. I will quickly tell you about the notes. Top notes are pear, blackcurrant, pink pepper and grapefruit. Middle notes are pineapple, rose, jasmine and base notes are vanilla, patchouli and amberwood. So इसमें even though like इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं but very dominantly you get a little bit of sweetness, little bit of powderiness. It's also fun, it's hot, it's sexy, just like the bottle. So Armani C, this is also I think one of the best seller from the C range, because C में दो है. I will show you the next one. This is another variant. This is Armani C EDP, but the first one was red. I really love this bottle. It's super sexy in my opinion. So this one is more vanilla and musk dominated. I'll read this out for you. Musky vanilla forward base with a hint of earthy patchouli keeps the fragrance light yet full, and that is so true. I think the red one is more suitable for evening time, and this one you can wear in the daytime because it's light, it's sweet, it's fresh, it's musky, it's vanilla. I think this is very elegant. This can easily be like your boardroom meeting sort of perfume, like where you can walk in like you own the room and crack the meeting and get that moolah. This is that sort of perfume. I really love how this smells on me because fragrances do smell different on different people. ऐसे मुझे लगता है. मुझे अब मेरे पास इसका रिसर्च पेपर तो है नहीं, but I would suggest whenever you're buying fragrance, do visit the store. Even though you will get like a good discount online, do visit the store, check the perfume in person, and then you can go online and buy from the store if you want to, because stores maybe the best part is you will get samples which you have to ask for. So whenever you go to a store and you really like something, ask for discount. If they don't have discount, they'll give you samples of the same perfume or different perfumes that you may eventually end up liking. कोई लड़का ये देख रहा होगा जिसे सिर्फ लड़कों वाली फ्रेग्रेंस चाहिए के लिए, दिस वन इज Alfa Romeo Red. इसका I think blue भी आता है. Personally find this one amazing for like day wear or to the gym, or if you're a college student you can wear this. So ये काफ़ी टाइम तक रहता है वैसे, and इसका Dio भी आता है by the way. I got this in a set like EDP and the Dio bottle. This one का notes I will quickly tell you. Top notes are pink pepper, pineapple and citruses. Heart notes fruits. What fruits वो यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है, but trust me it's not that fruity. Base notes are tonka bean and amber. So this is very fresh, but not fresh in a aftershave sort of way. This is more sophisticated fresh, जो आप लगा के जाओगे तो like लोग बोलेंगे oh wow, hi handsome. I'm sorry अगर कोई ऐसा ना बोले, but do check this out. This one is also not that expensive. This is Alfa Romeo the car ka fragrance, and I think this is for 1300 or something. You will get this on Tira if I am not wrong. This perfume that I want to suggest. Now this one is from my favorite house of fragrances, Issey Miyake. Look at this bottle. So this one I feel is a perfect summer fragrance क्योंकि इसका नाम ही है Issey Miyake Vetiver EDT or EDP EDT Vetiver EDT. The cap is wooden, which I find so classy, so rustic. इसको देख के मुझे ऐसे समर में खेतों में भागने की फील आती है, और उसका स्मेल भी कुछ वैसा ऐसा ही है. The family is floral fruity, but again this is not as fruity, and this actually stays on for quite a long time. Like ये easily 8 hours तो रह जाता है in my experience. Top notes are peony acrid, heart note white raspberry acrid and base note cedarwood essence. And the family is floral fruity. It's the symbol of the return of sunny days. मुझे और कोई fragrance नहीं पता जो इसकी तरह smell करता है. I think this is so Issey Miyake. Like if I'll smell this, I'll know which one it is. I think you can wear this in winter also. कोई आपको आके मारेगा नहीं. But like for me, it's a summer fragrance. इसकी bottle मेरी favorite है. अगर ये bottle ख़त्म भी हो जाएगी तो भी मैं इसे रखूँगा. Not like मैंने other bottles नहीं रखे हैं. मैंने काफ़ी perfumes की खाली bottle भी ऐसी रखे हैं. So this one is a very good girl. She is the very good girl that you are looking for. If you are a girl, you are looking for this girl to be your best friend. Like trust me, ये actually काफ़ी iconic fragrance है. Everyone knows about this one. तो इसमें good girl भी आता है. This one is so hot. So I will quickly tell you about the notes. Top notes are lychee and red currant. Middle note is rose. Base notes are vanilla and vetiver. I feel like this one is such a good collectible. Like you can put this on the table like this. How cool is that? But I'm not keeping that क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा डर लगता है कि दीदी क्लीन करने आएगी और वो कुछ ना कुछ गिरा देगी. My 10th perfume is 1 million gold. This is the new bottle. ये पहले full gold में आता था जो मेरे पास अंदर रखा हुआ है कहीं पे. But this one I got this year. ये मैंने ऑलरेडी इतना यूज़ कर लिया है. This one is woody, spicy, ambery, a little bit of musky. This one also stays on you for hours. मुझे इसका थोड़ा सा ये प्रेसिंग वाला सिस्टम इतना मज़ेदार नहीं लगता. लाइक आई हैव टू रियली पुट प्रेशर हियर. So that's one thing which I don't like, but I love the fragrance. Top notes: cardamom, mandarin, bergamot, violet, acrid. Heart notes: rose, absolute, pink peppercorn, cinnamon bark, cedarwood. Bottom notes: sandalwood and kypriol. I don't know what a kypriol is, but in short नहीं समझ में आ रहा का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि अच्छा नहीं है. अच्छा तो बहुत है. And looks also so classy. I think this can also be a really good table accent. Like you can put this and ये ऐसा लगे कि ओह तुम्हारे घर में तो IT वाले रेट डाल सकते हैं, तुम इतने अमीर हो, तुम्हारे टेबल पे सोने का ब्रिक रखा है. बट नहीं, जब वो आएंगे वो इसकी स्मेल सूंघेंगे और शायद आपको ही पैसे देके चले जाएंगे, आपसे पैसे नहीं लेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. डू लेट मी नो विच वन यू लाइक in the comments below. Like, comment, share and subscribe. ये वाला बहुत सीरियस हो गया ना. वैसे मैंने बस सोचा कि मैं हमेशा ही ऐसे बकबक नहीं कर सकता, मुझे कुछ तो वैल्यू ऐड बनाना होगा. अब उसमें से आपको वैल्यू मिला है या नहीं? डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय. Hello, my name is Sunny and I like my eggs runny. Sorry. I'm so sorry for misbehaving. So I am ready to go to Crawford Market. I saw a lot of vloggers going to Crawford Market to get things, but I'm not going for myself. I'm going with my friend who is throwing Christmas party this month. So he wants to get started with his Christmas tree and all of that. So I am going to be an accessory, just hanging out with him. Maybe getting maybe getting a thing or two. If I'll get, I will show in the same vlog. But if I won't get, I'll just be the pretty one going through Crawford Market, and you will be with me because you are my new friend. And thank you for being here. If you have not subscribed, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, all of that. ना तो कर ही सकते हो ना, अगर मैं Crawford तक जाके वीडियो बना सकती हूँ तो you can like click on buttons, like टक करने में you'll take like 2 seconds. ठीक है? So that's what I'm wearing. I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing this t-shirt. This is from Beowulf. This is from Adidas, as you can see, with a very fun print on the back. Wait, I'll show it to you. Do you see it? Can't believe मैंने 1.5 मिनट ले लिया सिर्फ इंट्रो बनाने में. कैसा वीडियो बनाएगा तू यार? वो निकाल देंगे. Smith wants to buy कंदिल. ये यहाँ पे लैम्प्स लेने आया था जो इसको मिल नहीं रहा था क्योंकि ये सारे होलसेल शॉप्स थे जो 1 पीस नहीं दे रहे थे. घंटे बाद मुझे याद आया कि मुझे रिकॉर्ड करना है. सो जो रिकॉर्ड होगा वो देख लेना, जो नहीं दिखा वो इमेजिन करना. वाह, झूठ बोल के लेके जा रहे हैं. तो नहीं कर रहा. कोई किडनैप तो नहीं कर रहा. बहुत मस्त मस्त मिलते, बड़े बड़े ट्रीज एकदम 8 फुट के. इसका प्लेन नहीं है क्या? ये सबसे क्यूट चीज़ थी जो मैंने ली है क्योंकि 35,000 का था और इतने पैसों के लिए तो मैं खुद ये कॉस्ट्यूम पहन के तुम्हारे घर पे आके डांस करके जा सकता हूँ. छोड़ो छोड़ो आपका हाथ. पीछे की तरफ जाना है, बस उस तरफ. So I came to Swati Snacks now because Karan suggested me this place and I am talking this close to the camera because I don't want to yell. So sorry that you have to see my teeth. यहाँ पे अंग्रेज गुजराती खाना खा रहे हैं. I'll show it to you. और मैं नहीं दिखा पाया क्योंकि मैं डर गया कि वो लोग देख लेंगे. Corn hanvo and that's cheese masala pav. It's like pav bhaji. That's samosa pav.
Day 2.
Next day, and I'll show you what all I got from Crawford Market. I didn't get a lot of things and I could not shoot a lot. It was getting too late and I was hungry and I was thirsty and it's just too crowded. If you have been to Crawford Market, you would know what I mean. So let me show you what all I got. It's not a lot, but cute stuff because we like cute stuff in this household. So first is this, a solar light which I am going to put in my balcony. So this is where it charges from, and when the sun goes down it brightens up and becomes sunny like me. Next is this viral lamp which I've been seeing on reels, and I've been like getting ads. So you plug this in and it reflects like a wave sort of situation on your ceiling, which is pretty cool. I have this hand wash dispenser which is very cute. This is glass. This is for my guest washroom. You know what I mean? You do, right? Now we did some Christmas decor shopping because my friend was buying and I had to get a couple of things to make my house more Christmassy. So first is this very cute Christmas tree. It's a set of 3 on a wooden log, and this also reminds me of Himachal. So I got this. I think this I can keep on my desk throughout the year and not just in Christmas, so that's why. And another thing I got is this very cute lamp situation. It also lights up. How cute is that? I quickly tell you the price. The lamp I got for 150. This I got for 130, 120 something. And this lamp I got for 150. These two I think for 220 for these two. It's quite cheap. That's what Crawford Market is all about. What I'm wearing, it says all the cool kids are gay, and what you're gonna do about that, it's facts. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll be back with another vlog very soon. Sachi kasam se promise. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi, I'm Sunny and welcome back to my channel. This video is about my shopping at Uniqlo. So yeah, I stay in Bombay. ये धूप देख के तुम्हें पता ही चल रहा होगा कि मैं बॉम्बे में रहता हूँ, इसलिए यहाँ पे इतना धूप है दिसंबर में भी. And I'm shooting this on 25th of December. So if you're watching it between 25th to 31st, Merry Christmas and very Happy New Year. So getting back to the video, I'm traveling to mountains for New Year's. तो मैंने सोचा कि कुछ ठंडे कपड़े ले लें. तो स्नो हो रहा है and obviously मैं स्नो के लिए जा रहा हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा मैं ऐसे कपड़े ले लेता हूँ, मुझे थोड़ा फन करने में हेल्प कर सके. So that is why I did the shopping. My budget for this shopping was 5,000 rupees. I wanted to initially get only thermals, but I lucked out. And मुझे एक hack पता चला Uniqlo में shopping करने का. You have to stay till the end of the video to know what the hack is. Starting with my favorite purchase. Look at that. Look at that. I think इसको fleece बोलते हैं. Fleece ही बोलते हैं. Zipper jacket. To be very honest with you guys, ये kids section से है. जो actual adult section men में था वो मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा, और उनके पास ये color भी नहीं था. And I feel like this color is so wintry. Look at that. Wow, I can keep touching myself. My second purchase is this crew neck short sleeve t-shirt in the color brown, which I will call mocha mousse. थोड़ा सा तो झूठ चलता है ना, इसके आसपास का ही कलर है, ज़्यादा दूर का नहीं है. And this I got for 390 rupees. You guys like this color? Let me know in the comments. We want to main मुद्दा मसाला जो है इस वीडियो का, which is thermals. So Uniqlo के पास काफ़ी अच्छे thermals है जो actually ऐसे thick नहीं होते हैं कि वो तुम्हारे कपड़ों के लेयर में like uncomfortable लगे. काफ़ी thin होते हैं, but उनका fabric is like थूक दिया मैंने, सॉरी। वेरी पतला एंड उसको स्टडी करके बनाया गया होता है, जिसमें लाइक हीट टेक्नोलॉजी होती है. सो दिस वन इज कॉल्ड हीट टेक. इट्स अ जापानीज टेक्नोलॉजी एंड यू कैन सी हाउ पतला द फैब्रिक इज. ये बस दिखने में पतला है, बट ये एक्चुअली काफी वार्म होता है बॉडी पे. दिस इज हीट टेक टाइट्स इन साइज M एंड ये मुझे मिला है 1290. सो इफ यू आर समवन जो वार्मर्स या थर्मल्स पहनते हैं एंड उनको अनकंफर्टेबल लगता है विद द ट्रेडिशनल जो भी अवेलेबल थर्मल्स है इन द मार्केट, यू शुड डेफिनेटली चेक दिस आउट. 1290 है. आई नो इट्स ऑन द मोर, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, be on the pocket side, but it's also an investment, क्योंकि थर्मल आप बार बार हर साल नहीं लेते हो, आप एक ले लेते हो एंड जब तक उसका ये वेस्ट बैंड लूज नहीं होता तब तक यू वेयर इट. एटलीस्ट दैट्स व्हाट आई डू. सो आई यूज थर्मल्स ओनली ड्यूरिंग ट्रैवल एंड आई ट्रैवल एवरी ईयर टू वन कोल्ड प्लेस. तो यस, मुझे यूज हो जाता है. दिस इज माई बेस्ट परचेज, क्योंकि इसमें दिमाग लगा है एंड मेरा नहीं लगा है. मैं किसी को साथ में लेके गया था, उसका दिमाग मेरे से ज्यादा लगा है. सो this is again warmer but like upper body wala hai, and it's a like when you look at it, it looks like a full sleeve t-shirt. And see, ye bhi like size wise mota nahi hai. Like when you wear it and you layer it, it is not going to feel uncomfortable like तुम्हारे arms के अंदर या फिर यहाँ पे थोड़ा movement में जो uncomfortable लगता है when you wear मोटे मोटे stuff. तो ये वैसा नहीं लगेगा because it's very patla and inside section is this fleece. Now I'll tell you hack. So this is also from kids section. Men section में मिलेगा तुम्हें S size का, because I'm S size. वो है 2500 का, but I found the same thing in kids section. Age 14 वाला जो section होता है वो actually men's का size S होता है with I think 1.5 इंच का फर्क. So if you are someone who can get away with that 1.5 इंच का फर्क, because this also stretches. 1,500 की चीज अगर मैं इसे next 3 साल यूज करूं, I don't think it's a bad purchase at all. And this is also warmest wala range. So they have warm, warmer and then ultra warm, which is this one, ultra warm heat tech. So ये वाला आपको I think -5 degrees तक चल जाएगा, which is what the temperature is जहाँ पे मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ. तो आई एम रियली रिलाइंग ऑन दिस. मेरी पूरी जिंदगी इस पे डिपेंड है, मेरा पूरा ट्रैवल इसके ऊपर डिपेंड है. आई विल कीप शेयरिंग माई एक्सपीरियंस, बट उसके लिए आपको सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप ऐसे यूट्यूब पे तो डिपेंड नहीं कर रह सकते ना कि वो आपको मेरा वीडियो दिखाएगा ही. एंड व्हेन एवर सी माई एनालिटिक्स, लॉट ऑफ नॉन सब्सक्राइबर्स आर वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज एंड सब्सक्राइबर्स का परसेंटेज कम होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स अभी कम है एंड वो तुम्हारे वजह से कम है क्योंकि तुम सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो. सो मेक श्योर यू लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर. लेट मी नो हाउ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. लेट मी नो अगर इसमें से कोई चीज तुम ट्राई करने वाले हो, इफ यूनिक्लो इज योर फेवरेट ब्रांड एंड व्हाट यू वांट मी टू मेक नेक्स्ट. सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक कर देना प्लीज. थैंक यू, बाय. Hi, I'm Sunny and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we are going to do some PR unboxing, and February is my birthday month, so if you have not wished me ab tak, too bad. Wish me in the comments below. Itna bhi late nahi hua hai, you can comment niche. Getting back to all this that I received in last 2-3 weeks, and this is only like the first part of the video. And if you guys enjoy this, I can do more of this, show you more of my PR stuff that I received. So let's get into the video. Okay, let's start with MAC. So I received MAC Studio Fix Foundation. This is in the shade NC30. And let's unbox. Beautiful, beautiful bottle. I already have one of this, but I received this again in PR. And let's do a quick swatch test. This also has SPF 15, by the way, so great if you are wearing this in daytime. As you can see, this has really good coverage. Look at that. It actually looks too fair on my hand, but I promise if I put this on my face, it works out. Look. Currently I don't have any makeup on my face, just lipstick. But look at this side and look at this side. I love that sheen situation that's happening. I also want to swatch one matte liquid lipstick from Kiro. This has apricot oil and avocado oil, so I'm assuming it does not make your lips feel dry like most liquid lipstick does. Sugar liquid lipsticks, it makes your lips feel like Sahara Desert. This is not a call out, I just have to be honest here. This is their liquid lipstick, and look how shiny it is. If you want me to swatch everything that they sent here, let me know. I will make a YouTube short on this, swatching all the shades, wearing all the lip oils, doing everything that you want me to do. Yeah, you. Received PR package from 82 East, like a set of 3-4 products, but I'm only going to show 2 products here. First is this Cucumber Quench, which looks like a traditional aloe vera gel ka dabba we all must have seen somewhere ghar mein kahin to kabhi to. So it looks like that, and the texture is also very much that. See, you saw that? Sorry मैं यहाँ वहाँ लगा रहा हूँ because मैंने अब सब जगह सब कुछ लगा लिया है. So okay, see, look at that. It's very hydrating, has a very subtle fragrance. I love it. I love it. Love हो गया. Okay, so, and this is Rose Boost Repairing Under Eye Cream by 82 East. I love the packaging. मुझे वो डब्बी वाली नहीं अच्छी लगती. Like you have to dip your finger. I just feel like it's not as hygienic. So, wow. Okay. Cameraman focus करिए थोड़ा सा. मैं ही हूँ cameraman. मैं ही एडिटर भी हूँ, मैं ही सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ, तो सब्सक्राइब तो तुम कर ही सकते हो. Okay, it feels very cooling. There's no fragrance, and it's very hydrating also. It has peptides. It has peptides with rose, and I just hope this helps with depuffing and under eyes, because if it does, then this can be my new favorite eye cream. I actually love A2 East products. Like I just finished using Turmeric Sun Shield. It is lotion like consistency, very pani, but when you apply it on your face, it just like disappears. ऐसा लगता है कि पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. I love वैस वाली consistency जो पानी लगे but फिर गायब हो जाए. You know what I mean? Next PR here is this cute one which I received on Valentine's from Elf. First of all, how cute is this bag with this heart mirror charm. I love when brands are thoughtful when they are curating this PR and they give something that you can actually use in your daily life. So I really love this PR. Now let's look at what they sent. I'm not going to be opening everything because then this entire video will become about this. So they gave me they gave me 4 lip oils and 1 lip liner, which I'm already using and I don't have it here right now, but that lip liner is a nude shade and really goes with lip shades that I normally wear. This one is Dusty Rose. Why it's not focusing? This one is Dusty Rose. Hi, this is editor Sunny from the future. I just came here to tell you that this is not a lipstick, not a lip oil, not a lip gloss. This is a blush which I did not read properly and I applied on my lips. So now that I made a fool of myself, I am not going to remove this clip. It's going to be here. It's a learning lesson. It's a learning curve. You can laugh, but one day when I'll have millions of followers, then you will know. For now, watch me applying blush on my lips. And let's try this one. This is focus kar. Okay, fuck that. Okay, so it's very hydrating. This shade is washing me out, but the formula is really hydrating. Moving on, PR from Laneige. Favorite lip balm, my favorite lip sleeping mask is from Laneige, and that is what I got in this PR. And not one, not two, but I got 3. I only have 2 to show here right now because I already took one out, to be very honest. So let me just show you the gummy bear bonbon version. The one that I took out is the classic one, which I already started using because I could not wait. Wow, and it smells like gummies. No, yeah, it actually smells like gummies. So yummy. I can't wait to try this. I will wait. First I will finish the one that I'm already using, then I'll try this. I have another one. This is Sweet Candy. Sweet Candy, wow. This one smells like candy. Wow, groundbreaking. But I love how it smells. I love their sleeping mask. I'm very happy with this PR. Thank you, Laneige. Next is this lip balm from Ordinary. Now I have received this before as well, and I have used this. I especially love the packaging. Let me show it to you. This is how it looks like. So cute. It's also very hydrating on your lips. It has choline as one of the ingredients, which makes it super hydrating. It looks like your Vaseline only, but it's very hydrating for your lips. If there's any guy who is watching this vlog who does not like carrying colorful lip balms, not like tinted lip balms, I'm talking about colorful packaging lip balms, because a lot of guys don't like doing that. This is really cute. You can keep this in your pocket and just go to office, go to college. It just works out fine. Do check this out. I also received 4 sunscreen in February, between January and February. 2 of them are branded content, which is on my Instagram. Do check them out, really good sunscreens. But there are like 2 PR which I did not post on my Instagram. I will show it to you guys here. This one is from Clinique, Super Defense City Block. This is also a tinted sunscreen. I really like how this one looks. Let's do a quick swatch test. Swatch test! Okay. It's very liquidy, very fluidy, which I enjoy in my sunscreen because I have dry skin. And I saw a lot of influencers posting about this sunscreen, so I have high hopes. And look at that, no white cast. It's a little bit heavy. If there's any oily skin person watching this, and if you have tried this, do let me know in the comments if it works for you. But I have dry skin and I know this will work for me. I like this kind of sheen in most of the products that I use because I have dry skin and I love dewy sort of situation happening on my face. So no smell as well. And this is SPF 50 Daily Energy Face Protector by Clinique. Another sunscreen, this one is by Indulgio. Now I have used Indulgio in past, especially their face serum and their hair vitalizer. So I really love their products. I think they do really good in terms of textures. So this is their new sunscreen, SPF 50 PA++++ hydrating sunscreen gel. And I love a good gel formula, to be very honest. I like the tube as well. Let's check. Oh, I think this one blends much more easily than the Clinique one, but because I applied that first on my wrist, I would not know. I will have to check it again. Let's check over here. Oh, look at that. I really love this formula. It is non-sticky, it's very lightweight, no white cast, and it feels like nothing on my skin. this is going to be my next sunscreen that I use after I'm done using what I'm using right now. And then there's one that I need to finish, which is already open. The newest baby on the block, something that you must have seen on Instagram by now, because a lot of influencers are talking about this. Maybelline Sun-Kissed highlighter, bronzer. Wait, let me check. Let's open this. We'll figure out together. Okay, this is Sun-Kissed blush, which also looks like highlighter because that is what I saw in most reels. So we are going to use this shade called Electric Bronze. See, that's why I said bronze, because in one of the reel it looked like a bronzer to me. Okay, this is fully sealed and I'm going to try it for the first time. First impression, let's go. Okay. Gasp. Look at that. Wow, I actually love this glow. I'm not a fan of powder, highlighter or blush, so I love this. I love this. Wow. Wow. Look at that. If you have to wear glasses to watch this vlog, it's not on me because it's Maybelline. I'm not paid to say this. I actually love it. I love it. If you guys want me to try all the shades, you have to let me know. Only then I will try. ठीक है, free में सब कुछ मैं नहीं करूँगा. Subscribe and let me know if I should. Then I will try and post it on my YouTube shorts. My dear Mars sent me Northern Lights in a pencil. So I have used their Northern Light in a pan, which is gorgeous for the budget and payoff and the color shift that it offers in that price range. This one is Northern Lights in a pencil. I already opened this to take PR story, but I didn't use it that time, so I'm very excited to use it with you guys. So if you guys have not subscribed yet, this is your chance to click on the subscribe button. इतना तो कर सकते हो यार, please कर दो. Thank you. Okay. Okay, look at that. Beautiful, right? It's this metallic green and look at that shift. I'm so excited to use this on my eyes. It has green to blue sort of shift. I don't know how much you can see in this light, but I'm super excited to try this. I have received this in 4 shades. If you want me to do review on all 4 shades, post it on my YouTube shorts. Do let me know in the comments below. Then I have this Valentine's package from Kiro Beauty. Let me show you how it looks like because I really enjoyed opening this. Wow! Okay, so let me quickly show you what I have here. This is PH Play Lip and Cheek Oil. Then this is Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick. One more lipstick, one more lip oil. Slick Stick Luxe Matte. Let's unbox this because the name is quite interesting. This is what it looks like. Oh wow, I love this shade. But कैसे होता है? Oh, so you have to twist the bottom. Let's watch. Wow. Such a pretty color. I love this. इसको नीचे कैसे? Oh, I love this twisting नीचे से वाला formula. I love how it looks like a pen. Love the color, love the texture. Next we have Ilum Japan. This is the gentle cleanser. I actually have the whole range from this brand, but I thought of only showing the cleanser. I have used Ilum Japan night gel before, and it's really hydrating. The consistency is so good, like it feels like you're putting water on your face. Now this is what the cleanser bottle looks like. This is very similar to You to the People gentle cleanser. I love this simple aesthetic, like it when it's sitting on your bathroom counter, it just looks so elegant, and it's also very gentle on your skin, so love that. Do check out Japanese skincare as well. Kitna Korean karoge yaar, like thoda dusri country bhi check karo. Okay, so this was it for this vlog. I have a lot of other PR boxes sitting with me waiting to be unboxed in front of this camera, because otherwise मैंने उन्हें कर दिया है, कुछ को खोल दिया है. But I will do it again for you guys here, and we can try it and experience it together. But उसके लिए you have to like, comment, share and subscribe. Subscribe करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. And if you have made it this far in the video, drop a sun emoji so I know कि तुमने देखा, and मैं तुम्हें वर्चुअली बहुत प्यार भेज सकूं, ऐसे ऐसे. बिल्कुल ऐसे मैं तुम्हें प्यार भेज सकता हूं, बट उसके लिए ड्रॉप अ सन इमोजी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. I feel like one day I woke up early and I have to tell this to everyone that I'm in a cab at 6:30 AM. I don't remember the last time I woke up at 6:30. Just that I'm also making a vlog. So we are off to the airport. I'm going to Delhi for Lakme Fashion Week, and I have early morning flight. I don't know why. I'll be reaching Delhi around 11. Every time I try to do the security check-in, I just feel like there's something wrong in my bag. And I never have anything wrong in my bag, but I always feel like there's something wrong. I'm finally in Delhi. I just checked in. इसके पहले मैं lunch खाया, जो बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं था. The show that I'm attending is tomorrow, so today I'm just going to chill. बाजू में ही एक मॉल है, तो अब मैं शायद वहाँ पे जाऊँगा. I took a very nice nap, hot shower, and quickly did this change, and I'm heading out. I actually want a chai. I want a really good chai. ये मेरा व्यू है होटल रूम से. मुझे 4 झंडे दिखते हैं. यहाँ पे एक है, और यहाँ पे एक है, यहाँ पे एक है, यहाँ पे एक है. सारा मेरा भारत महान यहीं पे हो रहा है. वाव, I love it. This is day 2. तो कल मैं गया था शाम में थोड़ी मुफ्त की शराब पीने. Today I have a very long day. मुझे रेडी होना है, इसके बाद मुझे होटल जाना है इंटरव्यू करने, उसके बाद मुझे लैक्मे फैशन वीक जाना है, एंड उसका आज लास्ट डे है. आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड कैरी माई कैमरा. अगर लेकिन मैं कैमरा कैरी नहीं करूँगा तो मैं फ़ोन में शूट नहीं करूँगा. मुझे पता नहीं है एक्चुअली. मैं So that's my outfit, that's what I'm wearing. I still have to get my makeup done. Lisa, tell me, how's the Vatavaran?
The Vatawaran is excellent in New Delhi today. Had the same feelings about the runway, like wow, so scary, so many lights, cameras, live people.
इतने क्लिप्स है मेरे पास. आधा टाइम मैंने शूट नहीं किया, एंड बाकी का वो ट्रांसफ़र नहीं हुआ, एंड आई डोंट हैव द कैमरा एंड द मेमोरी कार्ड एनी मोर. सो इतना ही है. लाइफ परफेक्ट नहीं होती तो व्लॉग कैसे परफेक्ट होगा, राइट? सो लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Hi, I'm Sunny and welcome back to my channel. I was shooting something for Instagram and that's why I'm ready. If you're not following me on Instagram, do check out my Instagram. मज़ा आता है वहाँ पे भी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इतने लोग नहीं हैं, तो हम वहाँ पे ज़्यादा मज़ा करते हैं. So I thought today I will talk about all my lipsticks. Yes, आज हम lipstick के बारे में बात करेंगे. So I realized कि I have so many lipsticks, but I end up wearing like 1-2 on rotation, क्योंकि मैं एक खत्म करने के पहले ही मैं दूसरे पे जंप कर जाता हूँ एंड देन फिर मैं भूल जाता हूँ कि मेरे पास और भी अमेजिंग शेड्स हैं. नॉर्मली आई गो फॉर न्यूड शेड्स, सो यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ न्यूड्स. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द लिपस्टिक ब्रांड्स starting from drugstore, Korean, luxury, everything that I have here. And हम उसको swatch भी करेंगे अपने सुंदर से हाथों पे. So let's get into the video. First and foreskin, I want to talk about Fenty Beauty Gloss Sticks. ये मेरा favorite है. I will just apply it on my lips. हाँ, इससे start करेंगे. Look. I love how it makes my lips look very plumpy, glossy, shiny. Ooh, sorry, but it's not sticky. I love this. Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Fenty Glow 03. मुझे कोई कॉल कर रहा है, क्या मुझे उठाना है? Hello, Huda Beauty for filler. So I once wore this to an event. एंड मुझे लोग पूछ रहे थे कि मैंने क्या लगाया, बट मैंने एक अच्छे इन्फ्लुएंसर के नाते गेट कीप किया एंड मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया, बट मैं आज तुम्हें बताऊंगा. आई ऑल्सो डिड वन रील ऑन दिस जिसपे काफी लिंक वाले कॉमेंट्स है. एंड सी दिस इज द शेड, इट्स इन द शेड फॉक्सी. दिस इज हुडा ब्यूटी फॉर फिलर. इट मेक्स योर लिप्स लुक लाइक यू गॉट फिलर्स. सो बेसिकली तुम फिलर के पैसे बचा रहे हो बट फिलर जैसे लिप्स दिख रहे हैं. हाउ कूल इज दैट? Urban Decay Law of Attraction. First of all, look how gorgeous this packaging is. It's like molten metal sort of vibe. This is in the shade Law of Attraction, and ये भी nude है, but this is more brown. So the thing about this one is, once you apply this, उसके बाद तुम खा लो, पी लो, सो जाओ, जो भी कर लो, इसका टेंट काफी टाइम तक रहता है. So you have to like shake it and then apply. It's like liquid lipstick but then it applies like tint and then ये ऐसे ही रहता है. ये भूल जाता है कि मुझे जाना भी है, वो बस जाता है. That's what I love about this. Kiro Almond Latte. This I showed in another video जिसमें मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें बता रहा था, अनबॉक्सिंग कर रहा था. This is in the shade Almond Latte and I really love this mechanism. Like you have to टुक नीचे से and wow, look, applies like a bullet lipstick but इसका shape bullet lipstick वाला नहीं है. It's more like a pen. Kiro Beauty Almond Latte. Correct. I used to apply this one almost every day but then I forgot about it. This is from Etude House Korean lip tint and this is in the shade Salmon Brick and this one also stays for a long time. तुम पानी पी लो, खाना खा लो, जो भी कर लो. I love how it feels on your lips. It feels like nothing. ऐसा लगता है आपने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है. There is no shine, there is no texture. Stays for a very, very long time. So if you are someone who goes to office or college and like don't want to keep applying something tint wise, another fixing tint from the same brand, Etude House. This one in the shade Pure Coral. So the previous one was more nude brownie and this is more peachy pink. Very natural. कैमरा में थोड़ा डार्क दिख रहा है but इतना डार्क नहीं लगता after application. And this also helps to hide your pigmentation. So if you have pigmentation on your lips, these two tints from Etude House, they really work. Heat by Fenty Beauty. इसके कलर पे मत जाना, ये ऐसे नहीं दिखता once you apply. This works like a lip plumper. Once you apply it, you get that tingling effect. I'm not going to swatch this because there is no like color or tint to show इतना. And also it thoda sa, okay wait, let me just swatch. See, you can't see color itna but it makes your lips look plumper. It brings out your lips natural color and also make your lips look more fuller. And this is apparently one of their best sellers. Heat in the shade Hot Cherry. Another Kiro lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick but it's not drying. It has apricot oil and all the nourishing hydrating formula. This is in the shade Sunset Nude. I was wearing this इसके पहले जो मैं शूट कर रहा था उसके लिए. I really like how it looks on my skin tone. See, it's a really nice pinkish nude. This one also stays for long. It's also transfer proof once it dries. Really cute pocket lipstick. Like you can just put it in your denim pocket and it's very lightweight. It feels like nothing actually. It's so tiny, so cute. This is from the brand Shiseido. and it's a bullet lipstick. It's a pinkish nude. I love how it feels on my lips. It's a very satin finish, very hydrating, glides almost like a balm, and I'm a big fan of this brand in general. I've used their skincare before. Do check this one out, very cute. I used this one also kuch time tak. This is from Milk Makeup. It's a gloss and the shade is Work Trip. This is the shade that I got in PR, and like, I don't like this pink actually. It washes me out, but the formula is nice. It's very glossy, it's lip balmy. It's a kind of lip product that you like to keep applying throughout the day. It's nice and glossy and it's cute. It's Milk Makeup, it's trending. So if you find something in your color, you should try this. If we are talking about lipsticks, how can we not talk about MAC? This one is Bullet Lipstick from MAC in the shade 626 Vol. It's a really nice brown nude, very beautiful. Ekdam maza aa jata hai. Look at that. It applies also very smoothly. It's not drying, does not crack on your lips. I love this one. Another MAC Bullet lipstick. This one is very famous. It's in the shade Velvet Teddy 617. If there's a MAC lipstick lover out there who loves nudes, I'm sure they know about this shade Velvet Teddy. Look at that. Wow! One more lipstick from MAC. This is from their festive collection in collaboration with Bhumi Pednekar. This is in the shade Viva or Viva Glam. Viva, Viva, kya jo bhi bolte hai. It's again like a really nice pinkish brown nude. Another viral lip tint. This one is quite famous. Almost everyone knows about this. I recently got to know that this was meant to be a nipple stainer for strippers. I had no idea about this. And this is very watery. It dries so quickly. You can use this on your cheeks. You can use it on your lips. I have one more shade in this, but it's not with me right now. It feels like nothing on your lips. I also recently got Kylie Cosmetics lip kit. This is in the shade Better Not Pouch, and the lip liner for the same, but today we are only talking about lipstick. So let me just quickly swatch this for you. This is also viral. I have not used this personally. This is not the color that I usually use, but I know that this is viral and people love this lip kit combination a lot. So do check this out. I have one more from Fenty Beauty. If you're someone who likes sparkly, glittery glosses, then this one is in the shade Fenty Glow 01. And it shimmers like tumhare hoton pe stars aa gaye hain. It's a gloss, obviously, so you have to keep reapplying it. But really good formula. Love Fenty product. मैं हर चीज़ के लिए love तो नहीं बोल सकता, तो I just love उनके सारे products. So these are all the shades we swatched today. मेरे पास और भी है, but to keep this video short for you and for me to edit, we are only talking about these many shades. Let me know if you want link of something in particular, and I will send it to you in comments. So do comment, share, like, comment, and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you want more such videos where I talk about foundations or concealers or glosses or I don't know, just let me know and we can do more of this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.